Hey guys, welcome to our channel Shorthand with Neha. So today we start the dictation within 5 seconds. Start. How old is old? How old are you? And how old is your father? Again, how old is his father? Maybe that last age seems very old to you who are young. But are you young? Who is the age of the youngest baby in your family, either in your own home or in the homes of your relation? Perhaps the baby has lived for only a few months or even a few hours, and you, at 16 of age, must seem quite old to the baby's mother. Age is indeed anything but a simple thing. You cannot be said to be young or old except in relation to the age of some other person or thing. To the young girl starting life in the office for the first time, her immediate chief may be seem quite old. That chief is probably, however, no more than 30 or 35 years of age, and he feels very young indeed when he is in with his director who is nearly 70. But when the man who is nearly 70 sees the picture in the newspaper of a happy old man or woman who has reached 100 years of age, he in his turn feels young and almost boysy. Again, everyone, whatever his age may be, is young as almost not. To have lived at all, it is age considered said by said what that of the earth on which he lives and has his being. The earth has been in existence for millions of years, and the age of mankind is as nothing if judged may be the age of the earth itself. As we go through life, we are forced to the belief that too much importance is given to a person's age. It is not the date on a piece of paper that matter. It is the person's state of health in a body and a mind. Some people are quite old at 25 and other are still young at 70. We might perhaps all the happier if less importance were paid to the age. Young people who express an opinion are often told that they are too young to know, and as the result, very little attention is paid to such expressions of opinion. Yet it is not possible that young person has formed the opinion as a result of reading followed by carefully through, and he has every right to his point of view. It is even possible that the young person is at time right while the person of more years is young. People do not always get wise as they increase in age. Something they do not. If it were not from the new ideas of the younger people, or a new development might often not take place. Equally wrong, however, it is for young people to make light of the opinions of their fathers and mothers. Young people to oft take no account of the opinions of the old, because it is so easy to tell that old people that they are out of date. The father and the mother of a young people has lived long and had more experience than them. This war between the young and the old is not, we think, in a least necessary. What is probably necessary is a small change in outlook. In a place of thinking of people's age, we should not think of them as being at a different part of the road through his life. In some people set out for a walk at 8 in the morning, those who set out of for the same walk at 9 do not regards those in front of them as being quite out of the running and not worthy concentration. The earlier walks as began like themselves, but as have begun earlier and having therefore covered a little more distance, those who are in front look back to those who are behind them, and perhaps feel some pleasure because they have already covered more ground. But they respect the others neither more nor less because they are in a different position. We are all in a different position on the road through life. Some of us began our walks on the road earlier and some set out a little later. Some have hardly taken the first step. We are all on the same road together, and the distance we have covered is of very little importance because we have all to walk the road to the end of our lives. Even through the distance covered are not all quite the same, but judged by the age of the earth, the difference in the number of years of our lives is as nothing. Full stop.